Tim from Euro 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect and use your USB on your iPhone. So depending on which version you have, I have an older version. I'm going to be using Lightning to connect it, but the newer versions of iPhone you use USB-C. So you have to find your adapter unless your USB device already has both of them on a USB-C. So I can plug in directly with that, but I'm going to use this Lightning adapter since I have an older iPhone, and then just plug it in where it charges. So to transfer it over, it's actually really easy. Just go over to Photos. So let's find Photos, and then click on Photos. So where's my Photos app? Here. Then we go to Select your photos, and then go to Share. Go all the way down to Saved Files, and we can save it directly to our USB. So let's hit the back arrow. Untitled is my USB, and we can create a new folder by going to here. You can label it like pictures or something, but I'm just going to go to Save, and now it's saving to my USB. So it could be literally that easy. Now to see if they're saved, go all the way to the right, type in Files, and then go back, and we go back to my untitled USB drive, and we should be able to see them in here now. So it'll be a photo just like this or something like that. So very easy to go ahead and just see and move photos to your USB drive from your iPhone. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.